Going up, so those have to be dealt with. Got a lot of rusty tiers under every support, every tread. We got a major amount of rust. So again, not able to be load tested in the as-is condition, and after it gets certified repaired, then it's no need for a load test. But again, the fire marshal has the final say as to whether or not, even after certified repairs, he wants the load test. Again, all original 50 to 75-year-old rivets. The only way to verify these is load tested and or nullify them by putting in new bolts, taking these rivets out, putting new bolts or between them, keep the originals if there's no rust in this connection, and putting a couple of bolts between them, new bolts, so keep the original and reinforce them with new bolts. So, another tread here that's totally loose. You hear that? So there's been some repairs that came in here, but they weren't certified repairs. We got a lot of spacers that are gone, bending, you know, from things climbing or coming up and down. But every single one of these treads is ready to fail. So if I was to hammer test, I would probably knock out about 5 to 10 of these treads in the hammer test. But I did not complete the inspection all the way to the top. It's an unsafe structure. We have also all this ivy and stuff growing up this fire escape, and it's all growing. So we need to clean this all out, and we need to tar these feet so that it's not eating the bottom feet of this fire escape. So 100% of that needs to be addressed. We got debris. We got to get all this debris out of here. Pallets. Let's take a look at. We need to verify how that plate is now inside. Otherwise, we have to duplicate that connection. But I think that connection should be able to be verified. There's the old connection right there. And something must have happened inside. A lot of times during renovations, they knock the plate out on the inside. That's why somebody did this, so we need to verify that. We've got all original hardware. Look at that clip. The clip right there, broken. This is just how much ice, this is what rust jacking does. Okay, rust jacking will just basically pop clips. We got a lot of worn material. This fire escape hasn't seen a paint job in at least 25 years. This is what rivets look like. This is what popped rivets look like that no longer are holding the tread. We got square head bolts right there. This is all original hardware. There's no evidence of any maintenance on this fire escape, such as and usually in 75 years you have that. And look at all the rust jacking. I can already stop putting my probe through there. You got that. So whenever the rust gets in there and it pops the treads, so this is there. There's the rust. So if you look up, you can start seeing where some of these are ready to pop, but more so on that side. So 100% of this fire escape, 75% of this fire escape must be totally refurbished. And now from down below, you can see why we didn't want to step on that platform up above. Very bad. Not connected. Full of rust, ice jacking. So the structure has emergency issues, some life safety issues on the entire structure. We weren't able to go all the way to the top, but it's very clear that 100% of these treads are ready to go, and that this fire escape has not seen any major refurbishment in its lifetime. So fire escape is unsafe. What it's going to need now is going to need some engineer oversight. You need to have a full permit from the city in order to work on this, and if you're going to paint it, you have to have a renovator's license because this fire escape does have lead. You need to work with the city official, so we're going to make sure that we have a criteria. This fire escape is minimally going to need 3 to 5 visits, and a fire escape of this size is going to need 3 to 5 visits from the fire escape engineer and oversight to make sure that the vendor is doing the work correctly. If we're the ones that are going to be signing off, we're looking at an additional 5 visits to babysit this fire escape through the process. Any questions, please give us a call or speak with your official. But in order for this fire escape to be certified repaired, in lieu of a load test, it must have certified repairs done to it. Any questions? Fire escape engineers, Inspector Manessas here in Wallingford, Connecticut.